Traditional Colombian arepa.
Esa era con emoción.
Con emoción. Colombian, not from Venezuela, how someone say here. Colombian. Traditional Colombian arepa with cheese. Primero Colombia. No, because I'm mixing it.
Make your own.
With cheese. Se me olvidó. No, pero me haces reír. Así, modo serio. Top it with queso crema or cheese cream.
No, cream cheese.
Top it with queso crema or cream cheese. I can't. Okay. My name is Lady. I'm from Bogota, Colombia.
What's Bogota? You said from...
So easy. My name is Lady. I'm from Chiscas, Boyacá, Colombia. In la
Close to Bogota.
It's close to Bogota, 13 hours by driving.
30.
Or 9 if you are fast and you don't have any stop. Today we are going to prepare arepa from Colombia. Traditional breakfast.
Arepa is from Venezuela.
It's not. They have something. They said they have the best arepa, but we have the best arepa, okay?
Arepa, it's a traditional Latin American dish that go back to the pre-Columbian era. Especially popular in Venezuela and in Colombia, but can be found in other countries or Latin America. In Venezuela, it's considered a national dish. In Colombia, it's symbol of culture and tradition. In both countries, I will say is the one. The name is coming from the word arepa, used by the indigenous of the Caribbean to give a name of every of the cake of bread made with corn or maize. Eventually, as usual, adopted by the Spanish language, become arepa. And arepa is not just food, it's considered a dish of celebration. In Venezuela, they have the Arepa Day or Dia de las Arepas, and in Colombia they have the festival of the arepa. What about the difference of both arepa in two different countries, Venezuela and Colombia?
La diferencia entre la arepa colombiana y la venezolana es que los venezolanos usan o la hacen con aceite de oliva y sal y agua. Nosotros usamos azúcar, usamos mantequilla y usamos en algunos casos leche con agua. Hoy vamos a usar solo agua, pero se puede usar también.
In Venezuela, the arepa is thicker. In the dough they use oil instead of butter, and they cut it and they fill it. In Colombia, the dough is thinner. They use in the dough butter instead of oil, and mainly is not cut and fill it. They serve it with cheese or butter, or they do what they call arepa de queso. That means we put the cheese directly in the dough and we cook all together. Very nice. If you want to study more, I suggest you Arepa, this book from Irena Stein, born in Venezuela, but after running Alma de la Cocina Latina, the restaurant in Baltimore. Very nice book. My suggestion for this dish, explain about the history, a lot of recipe, and all of them I check it, are really nice and are working. As usual, I bought it in Amazon. I will put the link in bio. para la comunidad española o the Spanish community ingredient in Spanish.
Colombian.
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 250 gramos de harina pan, 550 ml de agua tibia. Tenemos porque usualmente usamos cuajada o queso costeño para que le dé su toque colombiano. Y como último 30 grados de mantequilla derretida.
30 grados.
Gramos, ay Dios. Okay. Y como último 30 minutos de mantequilla derretida.
Vamos a hacer un vídeo para cortarme tarde una semana.
Y un poquito de azúcar para que le dé el toque.
English version, 250 gram harina pan, 550 ml water, lukewarm water, 200 gram mozzarella cheese. Of course, in Colombia they use what they call cuacata. It's a different cheese we couldn't find. Anyway, everywhere you can find mozzarella is fine. 30 gram melted butter, and that's it. And of course, don't forget a pinch of sugar is the secret. The main ingredients, masa pan.
Harina pan, and the brand is very important.
This brand is the only one. If you change the brand, this recipe doesn't work anymore. It's pre-cooked cornmeal is the only one you're supposed to use. They use it the same, Venezuela and Colombian.
We have to, as you can see here.
How we start? We start in a bowl with the flour. We incorporate the dry item, in this case a little bit of sugar and salt. We process the butter, melted butter, we incorporate with the mozzarella in the flour. Mix all together and slowly we add the lukewarm water till the dough is formed. That's it. And now for the Colombian people.
Ya sabemos que lo primero que hacemos es introducir la harina en el bowl y luego añadimos los ingredientes y los mezclamos todos. Y luego añadimos el agua al final. Me van a matar.
¿Todo eso? Ni en español, joder. Ahora ponemos todo, chao.
Ahora lo que vamos a hacer es preparar la mezcla. ¿Cómo? Añadimos la harina, después la sal, el azúcar, la mantequilla y el queso. Y finalmente el agua. El agua la vamos a ir añadiendo hasta que obtengamos la mezcla que necesitamos.
And this is what you want, this consistency. You see that? It's still wet, a little bit sticky, but not too much. You just roll it, yeah, with your hand, and after push it down. Your hand is clean, the dough is still soft and wet. That's it.
Now we are just making our arepa.
Yeah, that is good.
And this is what we want. Now we will add the cheese. me quedó perfecta porque la otra me dijeron que parecía pizza, pero esta está perfecta.
And when you have your arepa, time to cook it. We will use a non-stick pan, a normal pan, like at home, or you can use the grill, doesn't matter. Cooking time depends from your pan, of course. Yeah, what you want a little bit crispy. The dough, remember, the flour is already pre-cooked, doesn't matter, but of course you need this crispiness on top. The mozzarella need to melt inside, that means take a little bit of time, maybe 4 minutes each side, every 1 minute you turn. And that's the original one.
Hoy hacemos arepa colombiana con queso, nuestro tradicional desayuno.
No te muevas.
No me muevo. Normally in Colombia, how we serve the breakfast with arepa is with hot chocolate, and in the top we add a little bit of butter or cream cheese, queso crema.
And that's it. Yeah. That is what we want. Time to try.
Time to try.
A ver. Parece la polenta.
¿Está rico, no?
Tiene que ser así.
Sí.
That's it.
So normally, how we serve the breakfast with arepa is with hot chocolate and... Ay, ya se me olvidó.
Queso crema o cream cheese. Tu puta madre.
¿Sí ves? Normally in Colombia, how we serve the breakfast with algo
I said just top it with. Dale.
My name is Lady. I'm from Colombia. No,
Habla un
no
poco
tengo
más
que,
alto.
no tengo que decir mi posición, ¿cierto? O sea, me lo salto. De nuevo. Top it with queso crema or cheese cream.
Cream cheese. Dale. Intenta. Y te ríes.
I can't. Okay. Top it with queso crema, as we call it.
In Colombia, or how we call it in Spanish. Step to follow. Wait. Finish?
And this is the consistency we want. Consistency, no?
Dilo hoy.
Ay.
Otra vez.
My name is Lady. I'm from Colombia.
¿Qué?
Traditional Colombian arepa.
Esa era con emoción.
Con emoción. Colombian, not from Venezuela, how someone say here. Colombian.